Welcome. Today we discuss the sugar beet crop. Their botanical name is a Beta vulgare. It is a temperate crop and is mainly cultivated in a temperate countries where the sugarcane cultivation is not feasible. Sugar beet is a plant whose root contain a high concentration of sucrose and are commercially grown for the sugar production. It is the second most important sugar crop after the sugarcane, accounting for about 22% world sugar production and distributed in 45 countries. Sugar beet root contain 15 to 20% sucrose and in the process of sugar extraction 12 to 14% recovery is possible. Unlike a sugarcane where sugar extraction is done through the milling, the sugar from the beet is extracted by the diffusion process. The beetroot are washed and cut into the thin slices, and these slices are put in a hot water which soak the sugar out and form the syrup. And the syrup is then purified, filtered and boiled again, and finally it is dried to the sugar which is packaged and marketed. And their uses like apart from the sugar, ethanol can also be extracted. Ethanol can be blended with petrol or diesel to the extent of 10% and used as a biofuel. Pharmaceutical industry for vitamin B12 production, and beet tops used as a grain fodder, and beet pulp used as a cattle feed. Sugar beet being a salt tolerant crop, sugar beet is a salt tolerant crop and can also be grown in a saline soil where other crop is failed to grow. It ameliorates the soil affected soils with promoting the soil fertility. So sugar beet and their botanical name is a Beta vulgare and their origin is a Mediterranean region. So botanical description, their family is a Chenopodiaceae. It is a biennial plant but usually cultivated as an annual for its sugar. And the root system is a taproot system. You can see the picture of sugar beet. Then soil and climate. So it is a cold climate crop and average rainfall is a 300 to 350 millimeter, and temperature required for germination is the 15 degrees Celsius, and ideal temperature for growth is a 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature more than 30 degrees Celsius retard the sugar accumulation. Well drained and sandy loam to clay loam soil is required, and a soil pH value up to a 9 to 0.5. Then field preparation. It requires one deep plowing with MB plow followed by 2 to 3 cross harrowing. After that planking should be done. Then proper leveling is done so that water may not stand in a field. Then seed and sowing. So sowing depth 2.5 centimeter. Mostly sowing method or sowing is done by the dibbling manually or by drilling. Seed rate require 6 pockets means 3.6 kg per hectare. One pocket contain 20,000 seeds means 600 gram. Optimum plant population is 1 lakh to 1 lakh 20,000 per hectare, and the spacing 50 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So time of sowing is a 15 October to 10 November are found to be optimum, and their varieties Detroit Dark Red, Crimson Globe, Early Wonder, Uti 1, Crosby Egyptian. Then manures and fertilizers. 12.5 tons per hectare manures are applied at last harrowing, and use biofertilizer like Azospirillum 2 kg per acre, and phosphobacteria 2 kg per acre. And fertilizers like NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, 120 kg nitrogen per hectare, 80 kg phosphorus per hectare, and potassium is 80 to 100 kg per hectare. Half dose of nitrogen apply at the time of sowing and full dose of PNK apply at the time of sowing. Remaining half dose of nitrogen apply as a splitting. First 30 kg apply during the thinning stage, and remaining 30 kg nitrogen apply at the earthing up. So thinning, the multi-germ seeds of sugar beet give rise to a number of seedlings, and hence it is necessary to thin them to maintain the optimum plant population. So thinning is done after the 30 days after sowing. The earthing up operations coincides with the top dressing of nitrogen. Water management. Crop requires 7 to 8 irrigation depending upon the seasonal, 1 to 2 irrigation before the thinning, and subsequent irrigation at the interval 20 to 25 days. Sugar beet is sensitive to inadequacy of water, so timely irrigation is necessary. Water does not remain standing in the field for more than 24 hours. So next is a weed management or weed control. Sugar beet crop is kept weed free for first 35 to 45 days because severe competition in a early stage. 3 to 4 hand weeding is required. Then pre-emergence herbicide like pyramine is applied at the rate 3 kg active ingredient per hectare, and post-emergent herbicide like a bitanel at the rate 2 kg active ingredient per hectare. Then this is an insect pest. This is like a sclerotium root rot and Cercospora leaf sphere. Then insect like grassy cutworm, bear hairy caterpillar and sugar beet attack on the sugar beet. Then harvesting and yield. So harvesting is done from the March end to May and delay up to the mid June. Root can be loosened in soil by the MB plow. After the collection, the tops and crown are cut off and from the roots. Now roots are ready to send to the factory, and it require 500 to 700 quintal per hectare. So sugar beet yield is a 500 to 700 quintal per hectare. You can see the pictures of sugar beet field. Okay, thank you.